Hello guys, it's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Let's Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafiu. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria, and in this video guys, I'm going to do a comparison between Pinduoduo and 1688 HAR. Alright, so a lot of people have been asking me questions as far as Pinduoduo related with 1688 HAR, which one is more cheaper when it comes to sourcing from China, okay? Now, for me, I believe so much that 1688 has some product that is very cheap, and also I believe so much. I strongly believe so much that Pinduoduo also have a product that are more very much cheap. But one good thing about Pinduoduo app is that you don't pay a local shipping fee, unlike 1688. That's one thing you need to consider. Now, let's say for instance, I will try to show you some examples so that you guys can judge. Okay, you can as well put your question in the comment section down below. Let us argue out. Let us see which one is more cheaper and which one is the best to source for China when it comes to importation or buy stuff from China. Actually, I buy from all the platform in China, and I have tested Pinduoduo several times. I have bought stuff from Pinduoduo several times. I have bought stuff from 1688 several times. I have teach people on how you can do all those stuff. Teach a lot number of people on how you can buy from Pinduoduo and buy from 1688 app without any stress. Okay, but before I get to the tutorial started, if you are very new to this channel, please remember to subscribe, so and then click on the notification bell, so whenever I upload content about China importation and some other country importation, you get notified and you watch the video. And lastly but not the least, if you want to join my paid class where I coach you step by step on how you can use all these platforms to buy and import without any stress, without using any agent, if you are interested to join the paid class, you can reach me via the phone number on the screen of this video for business. And also, if you want me to procure your link on any Chinese e-commerce platform, like let's say you want me to procure a link on 1688, taobao, Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, etc., you can as well reach me via the phone number on the screen of this video. Let us talk more about importation business if you have any interest in any of my services. Okay, so let's go straight to the point. Now, I will show you some of the products. I bought some products from Pinduoduo. And what I did was that the first thing let me just go straight to 1688 app and search for the product. So here is my 1688 app. If you don't have 1688 app, you can use your Google Chrome. But the problem there is that you will not be able to use the features of picture search, which is what I'm going to use in this video. So it is highly recommend you have 1688 app. So I'm going to click on the app right now. So having clicked on the app, this is how it's going to open up. Let me quickly go back home. Oh, sorry. So like I said, I'm going to use picture search. So here we go. This is my picture search icon. So I'm going to click on that. So unfortunately, it's not on Google Chrome any longer. So you have to get 1688 app. Okay. Now, the next thing I'm going to do here is to click on here to select the picture from my phone album. All right, so this product here, I'm going to search for it on 1688. All right, so you know, different manufacturer with different price is going to come up. Okay, what I will just do here is that I will just pick on the first one right here. This one here, it seems to be the cheapest as far as this result is concerned. This is the 65 RMB. Let me check if I can still see. I think, okay, that is one of 45, that's one of 35 RMB. There's one of 53 RMB. There's one of 53 right here. Okay, there's one of 50 RMB. Okay, let me just pick this one right here. Now you can see the landing page here. You will see the price here states 50 to stuff And don't be surprised. This is the real price. Oh, this is not the real price. Okay, this is not the real. This one here is not the real price. Okay, this is the real price. And the minimum you can buy from this supplier is 2. You can imagine that. All right, so now what I want to show you guys here is that we want to know which one is more cheaper. And I will open the Pinduoduo app now. We are coming back to this particular supplier. Let me go and so here is my Pinduoduo app. But the only challenges as far as Pinduoduo app is concerned is that without wechat you cannot have access to Pinduoduo app. Okay. Now I'm going to picture search the same product. So I'll come to the top here. I'll come to the top here and click on this camera icon to picture search. Then for me to picture search, I can just select the product right here. Okay. So you can see it's going to search. Wow. Now, these are the product price by different supplier, the same product picture, stuff like that. And don't be surprised, the supplier on 1688, some of them are also on Pinduoduo app. Don't be surprised because these are Chinese e-commerce platform. All right, so I think this is the one I choose on 1688. This one here, Lolita, I think is the one. Let me just check. Let me check. Lolita. Okay, it's not the one. It's 20. It's Lolita. Yeah, it's Lolita. It's this one right here. That's what I choose. So I'm going to choose this one right also. So I'm going to click on the product link. Now, you see, from the sales page on Pinduoduo, we have the product price to be what? To be 63 RMB. Okay. Now, from the sales page on 1688, we have the product price to be still loading. So this is 1688, okay? So we have the product price to be at the price of 23.50 RMB. Never mind, don't forget, this is not the real price, okay? This is not the real price. So now, let's say for instance, and the minimum we can buy here is 2. This is the minimum we can buy here is 2, okay? Now, I'm going to proceed to checkout. I'm going to click on here now to buy this product. Okay, now, you see, these products here, these are just by color. You can see this is by color and the likes, and this is another color. You can see this is another color. So now, let's say for instance, I need this particular one here. I need 1. Okay. So this is just okay. This is 84.5 RMB. Okay, and the minimum we can buy is 2. Sorry for interruption. That is for size 120. Now let's say I need the same product of size 170. I need 1. You can see. So now for me to buy this product, for me to buy 2 units of this product, I'm paying 169 RMB. Okay, so if I click on checkout now to make payment, let's see, checkout. I'm going to click on here now to check out for the payment. So I'm supposed to pay 169 RMB to buy these 2 of different size of this gown, of this children gown. Okay, so now let's see the real price from the checkout. This is because they are going to add a local shipping fee. Okay, you can see now I'm paying 177 RMB to purchase these 2 of this item. Okay, so the shipping fee is 8 RMB, of which on Pinduoduo is not like that. So now we know that here we are paying 177 RMB to buy these 2 products of different size. So let's check it out on Pinduoduo. So I'm back to the Pinduoduo app right here. So I'm going to proceed to check out on Pinduoduo. Click on it. All right, so here, these are the various size and different color. So this is the one I'm going to buy, this color here. Okay, so I'm going to select the color. Now, having selected the color, I'm going to buy 120 and 170. Okay, let's just choose it that way, 120 and 170. Then we click on checkout to make payment. Okay. All right, so how much do we have here? You can see the amount we are going to pay to buy these two products. You can imagine. Oh, sorry, I mistakenly select one. Sorry. So let's say I'm selecting two. Okay, we are paying 128 RMB to buy two. Then if I go back to 1688, how much are we paying? Here on Pinduoduo, we are paying 128 to buy two pairs of this lady gown. Okay, now this supplier here give us 8 RMB discount, which simply means that we have been given a discount for purchasing these two gown. Okay, now so the total amount we are going to pay is 128 RMB to buy the two pairs of the gown. Now let's go to the 1688 and see this same particular gown here, but the color is not the same. But that's just not issue. We can search for the same color if that is what we want. So you can see the size here is 170 and 120. Now, how much are we paying? We are paying 177 RMB. Now, how much are we going to save if we are buying from Pinduoduo? That's what I'm going to do. So we're going to say 177 RMB minus 128. Let me bring out my calculator. 177 RMB. 177 RMB minus 128 RMB. Imagine we are saving 49 RMB just to buy two pairs of clothes from Pinduoduo. Now, if you are an outsourcing agent or you are buying by yourself, it is now left to you to decide where you can procure. You can decide to even procure it on Pinduoduo, or you decide to procure it on 1688. This is just left to you. But if I am the one, I would prefer to buy this particular product from where it is more cheaper and with the same quality. Okay, that is just the reason. So, like I said in the beginning of this video, there are some products that is more cheaper on 1688, but that is not the case. You can try the two platforms and check out which one is the more best for you. But as for me, I'm enjoying Pinduoduo, and I still say Pinduoduo is still more cheaper than 1688. You can put your comment in the comment section down below. Let us hear from you and let us know which other platform is more cheaper as far as sourcing from China is concerned. I hope you guys learn one or two tools in this video. If you enjoyed this video, give the video a big thumb up, and also don't forget to subscribe, hit on the notification bell. See you guys in my next video. Bye for now.